You know health insurance is important, but do you know there are several hidden facts or clauses that one should check carefully before choosing a policy? In this video, we will cover 7 hidden facts you must check before choosing the best health insurance policy for you and your family. Here you go. Number 1. Restoration benefit. Think of this as a refill of your insurance amount. Let's say you claim 4 lakh from a 5 lakh policy. With full restoration benefit, the insurer gives you the full 5 lakh again for the next claim in the same year. Some policies offer only partial or conditional restoration. So, prefer policies with complete restoration without usage conditions. Number 2. Daycare Coverage. Many health policies cover only treatments requiring overnight hospitalization, meaning you need to stay at least one night in the hospital. But some common procedures like cataract surgery, dialysis, or tonsil removal are done without an overnight stay. Not all policies cover daycare fully, so always check if your policy covers daycare treatments too. It's a hidden fact many don't know. Number 3. Cashless claims need prior approval. Did you know cashless treatment is not automatic? You must inform your insurance company well in advance. For planned treatments, you need to notify your insurer at least 48 hours before admission in most policies. Some policies may have different timelines. During emergency hospitalization, insurers usually require notification within 24 hours, but this can vary. So, always check your policy's specific notification rules to avoid delays and claim issues. Number 4. Room rent limits. If your policy coverage is high, say for example 15 lakhs, you might think all room rent is fully covered. But no. Many policies put a limit on room rent either as a fixed amount per day like 5,000 rupees or as a fixed percentage of the sum insured, often 1% to 2%. For example, if your cap is 2% of the sum insured with a 15 lakh policy, the maximum allowed room rent would be 30,000 rupees per day. In many policies, if your room costs more than the covered limit, you don't just pay the extra rent. Other hospital expenses may also be reduced proportionally. Yes, all the bills, not just the rent. This is called the proportionate deduction clause. So, check room rent limits and the proportionate deduction clause carefully before buying or renewing your policy. Number 5. Super Top-up, your secret weapon for maximum coverage. Do you know about Super Top-up? It's a hidden gem that helps when hospital bills go beyond your main cover while keeping your premium low. A super top-up activates only after your total hospital bills in a year cross a certain amount called the deductible. For example, assume you have a 5 lakh base policy and have already used 4 lakh from it. Later in the year, a new 3 lakh bill comes in for a different treatment. Let's say you have a super top-up with 4 lakh deductible and 10 lakh coverage. Now, for the new 3 lakh bill, 1 lakh will come from your base policy as 4 lakh is already used. The remaining 2 lakh will be paid by the super top-up because your total bills this year have crossed the 4 lakh deductible. But if your earlier bills were only 3.9 lakh rupees, the super top-up won't activate. You will just get 1.1 lakh from the remaining base cover and need to pay the rest yourself. Pick a lower deductible so the super top-up activates more easily. And yes, it's better than a regular top-up. Here's why. A regular top-up pays only if at least one bill is large enough to cross the deductible. A super top-up pays even if individual bills are smaller, as long as the total of all bills in a year crosses the deductible. For most people, a super top-up is more useful. Number 6. Waiting periods. Most health insurance plans don't cover everything from day one. There is a waiting period. A fixed time after getting a new policy during which certain conditions are not covered. For example, if your policy has a 3-year wait for maternity and you claim in the first year, it will be rejected. This also applies to pre-existing illnesses like diabetes, asthma, or kidney issues. So, always check the waiting periods before buying, especially for pre-existing diseases and maternity. Number 7. Room category limits. This is different from the room rent. Some policies limit the type of room you can claim for. For example, some policies cover only non-AC rooms. In that case, if you choose an AC room, your claim might be rejected or reduced. So, always check if your policy restricts the room type, not just the room rent. Did you enjoy this video? If it helped you understand how to choose the best health insurance plan, hit like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more such useful videos. Thank you.